So here we have this tops. I brought the top up right here. And this morning, this is what I was trading off of. I was literally describing this happen in real time. One of my favorite patterns is two tops into a lower high and a dump, right? So I don't care if you're taking the Fibonacci breakdown to the 38 target. I don't care if you're trading a channel break. I don't care if you're trading this resistance breaking, which I literally was explaining this real time, this overnight resistance, this pre-market high right here, right? I don't care if you're trading structure. I don't care if you're trading the Fibb. I don't care if you're trading a consolidation pattern. I don't care if you're trading a triple top. I don't care. Like, the trade is here for all of the routines. The idea here is that this doesn't fly in the face of whatever you already hold dear, right? So this cluster right here breaking down automatically gives me this target, regardless if I have a Fibb drawn or not. And I described this. I also described what I was waiting for. I was waiting for the higher high and the lower high to break. I described this several minutes before it occurred, right? And at real time, we're talking about that. There's your lower high. There's your breakdown. There's your powerful candle with volume breaking through a level. It's happened on price. It happened on pre-market resistance. It happened on like every method you talk about. We had a 20 EMA on here, and this thing was like cutting right through. It gave you a great entry off the 20 EMA break. Indicators, whatever you like. This here was still consolidation at the tops. Price busted. You see price action busting right there. Okay, so this is me. This is the way I draw it. It's not the ultimate high, but from here to here, I assure you, there's a Fibb. I don't need to guarantee. I don't need to show it. It's there. It doesn't matter. You can draw it. It's a 38. This one right here, again, same thing happens. If you ignore the minute and you're on a different time frame, let's say you're on a 5, you're going to see this. You're not probably going to see that. You might see a tiny little doji in between candles, depending on how time aggregates, but you will observe this. And you're going to get your weak retracement and your double bottom. Weak retracement, double bottom. Now, it goes farther. Sometimes it does. But with a weak retracement, you're looking for the H, right? I draw the H constantly to teach people pattern recognition. So if we look at this Fibb right here, this dump, boom, 38, wick, trashed. So our entry is 379.91 when it goes in force, when it's valid, let's just say below that price. Any price below 379.91, I am short below the lower high, right? So that we get the double bottom target. And yeah, this is only 50 cents, 49 cents, I suppose. But you're in with pennies on an internal wave that's occurring, an internal fractal that's happening intraday. And so your risk is tiny. Now, this pattern right here exists on hourlies, 15s, and 5s, and dailies also. So you could practice on a minute and get a lot of exposure, and then implement on a 5, 15, whatever candles you prefer. And so we're going to measure from the top to the bottom where price bounced, boom, 50 retracement, tanking back into lower lows. Whether you're short or long and what time frame you're scalping on, right? You're 15 minutes of price, 1 minute of price. Either way, you have actionable rules that you can apply.